Hi traders, a very good morning. So the date today is 8th of September 2022. The time now is 10:04. So I completed my trade in Nifty a while ago, and even today I had to face the same issue like yesterday. A technical glitch from my broker, and I was not able to exit my position. It was only after some time, after some trying, that I was able to exit. So okay guys, so let me first play the recording and tell you about the logic for my entry. So in the screen you can see this is a Nifty 50 chart. So Nifty opened gap up today, and after gap up, there was a in the first 3-minute candle there was a nice rejection from the upside, and it seemed that looking at the first candle, that Nifty may try to go down to fill up the gap. But I didn't enter after the first candle, and I was waiting for this second 3-minute candle to close. Why I was waiting is that, so in this Nifty bank chart, you can see that the first candle of Nifty, 3-minute candle of Nifty bank, was a green doji. So if the bank Nifty was also bearish like Nifty, the first candle, I might have entered straight away. But since this candle was uh, a kind of a doji indecision candle, so I needed more confirmation. I needed surety that the momentum, there might be a momentum downside. So I waited for the first candle to close, and I was waiting for the second candle to close also. So, and what happened was that the in the second candle of this Nifty 50 3-minute was a doji. So this signified that there was still indecision in the market, and there was there was buyers and sellers, where there was confusion as to who would overpower the other. And I waited, and that's why I couldn't make any entry in the second candle. And after this second 3-minute candle, the 3rd-minute candle, if you see, there was a nice rejection from the downside. The price tried to go down, but it got rejected very nicely. There was sharp rejection, and the price was trying to go to the upside. So I had my 17,700 call chart ready at that time, and if there was some momentum on the upside, then there was a high chance that Nifty could go on to break this day high and form a new high. So and there was a chance that there would be a quick spike, a momentum on the upside. So with that thinking, I had my 17,700 call chart ready. So let me resume the video. So I was waiting for this candle to go green, so that I may enter a trade. So Nifty was at R3 that time, and it was very close to the resistance, and in the it was, and there's a high chance that it might break this R3. So you can see the call option chart, there was it had already turned green, and it was trying to go to the upside. So I was waiting to have some momentum. Also this Nifty bank, if you see, Nifty bank was trying to sustain above this R3. This wick rejection, after this wick rejection, the price was trading above the R3. So this was an added confirmation for my trade. In Nifty bank, the price was trying to sustain above this R3. So, and if the price sustains above a resistance, then there is a high chance that the price may go up. So these were the things that I was thinking right now. So there was some momentum happening. So, and I looking at this momentum, I was ready to enter, and I entered too, as seen on the screen. So my entry order got executed. I placed my stop loss. So, and I was waiting for a quick spike on the upside, for the price to to break this day high and form a new day high. So everything was good up to this time. The price was behaving as I would have expected. So there was momentum happening on the upside. So bank nifty was also, you know, bullish. Nifty was also bullish. So bank nifty and nifty were moving in synchronization, and it's always a good thing when both the indices move together. And the problem started here. So I first tried to close my stop loss order, but it didn't get closed. You know, so after some delay, my stop loss order got closed, but but then again, I was not able to exit from my position. So you can see I tried exiting, but still my position was open. So, and when something like this happens, it's really a bad sign, because as an option buyer, it's all about momentum for me. I tried to enter with momentum, I tried to exit with momentum. So I closed the chart, and I opened my booking terminal again. And finally, after reopening, I saw that my position had been closed. So, I got relieved at this time. But something like this, incident like this, really hampers the trading psychology. It turns your mood off, because as a trader, the most important thing that we try to be in control, we try to be in the driving seat. But when something like this happens, when something like this kind of technical glitch where your orders are not executed, where you are not able to close from your position, when something like this happens, it really affects your psychology. And like, if I will have a talk with my broker today also. And if this issue doesn't get resolved, and I keep facing, then I may have to look to trade in another broker, because only one bad day is enough to ruin your capital. So I cannot take chances. So guys, so luckily today I was also able to close in green. And I don't want to take any more trades today. So guys, I'm closing the video for now. So hope you guys have a good day. Cheers.